it is. This coffee place I'm going to check out. Coming with me. Arabica has to offer. Very, very nice. Look at this. Got some merch. Ooh, coffee cups. Have a little look around first. Look at that. It's supposed to be wonderful. Blended coffees. Let's wait in line. Order. And give you my review on it. So they've got all the little stuff. And you know, we always have to try a cake when we try their coffees. Hi, sir. Hi. Can I have, I'm going to try, is that one of your signature ones, the one from the Kyoto?
Our signature drink will be latte.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's the coffee blend in that?
You can choose secret origin, which is the beans from Brazil. It's medium roast, so
right.
It's be a little bit fruity.
Right.
And floral aftertaste. Or you can choose our house blend.
What do you recommend? So I'm going to let you, definitely oat milk.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I would suggest you to go our oat latte then.
Okay, there we are. We're going to have one of your oat lattes. And we're going to try one of these.
That's cannelle. It's a French dessert. So the texture is really crunchy outside and a bit soft inside.
Right. Before you watch this video, did you realize that 83% of you do not subscribe to my channel? So if you like what you see, show me your appreciation by clicking the subscribe button so you don't miss out on other videos that I produce. And sizes, I see you have all different sizes. Okay, so these guys are going to make this coffee for me. And yeah, that's right, guys. I'm here to review it for you. Like I said, it was one of my subscribers who mentioned it, and I'm going to try it out. Hopefully, like it, enjoy it, and let him like it. Yeah. That's me, 100. Okay, thank you. Lovely machines, all the beans. Yeah. How cool is this?
Number 96, I started.
Look at this lovely place. Look at that. The dedication into these coffees, no matter where you go in the world, they put the effort in. Merch. Even the little water things have got 100% on it. Look at that. So my coffee's going to be made up now. There you go. See? Lovely machine. Look at that.
100.
That's me. Thank you.
Latte.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's try it. Let's check it out. Arabica coffee. Come to try it. One of my viewers told me about it. So let's try it. So to the subscriber who told me about this coffee place, said to me, go and check it out. Arabica coffee. I did it for you. Cheers. That's good. It's a Japanese blend. Very, very nice. Very nice coffee. You always got to try a little something sweet. Try these things. Very good. So my thoughts. It's very good coffee. The blend is lovely. It's not too strong, not too harsh, not too bitter, but very nice. So if you get a chance and you're in London and you want to try something different and you're in Spitalfield, come in, go to Arabica Coffee, check it out. I've checked it out for one of my subscribers who mentioned it, sent me a comment, asked me to check out this new place that he's been to. He thought it was good. He thought I might like it. I've come, I've seen it, I've liked it. I think it's good. I will add it to my playlist. Have a look. There might be some other coffee shops on there, or there might be a coffee shop that yes, that's correct, you might want me to review. So if you want me to review a coffee shop, have a look, send a comment, send the address, send the location. When I'm in London, I'll go and check it out for you. Hope you enjoyed this one. I thought it was good. I thought it was a nice place. I thought the staff were very efficient. The place was very clean, very clinical. Didn't expect anything different from a Japanese type of establishment. His name's Dan. Good call, son. Very good call. So to Dan, thank you. So that was it. As usual, Arabica coffee. Yeah, get a chance. Come check this place out. Recently. Bye bye.